Pure white cabinet doors have become very popular over the past few years. Hi, my name's Brady, and I'd like to take a minute to talk about white cabinet doors. Anybody can paint a cabinet door white, and by looking at internet websites, you can see that just about anybody does. The range of quality in painted doors available on the internet is huge, but a great finish requires experience, dust-free spray booths, and access to conversion varnishes and catalyzed lacquer. And many web sources don't have the experience or the equipment needed to apply modern finishes. Conversion varnishes and catalyzed lacquer require training to safely mix and apply the finish, so they're not offered by Home Depot and Lowe's. Our finishes are purchased directly from Sherwin-Williams and are not available outside the professional finishing community. Conversion varnish does not air dry like other spray-on varnishes. The drying, hardening process is chemically induced and controlled. The result of the hardening and drying of conversion varnish is a finish that is much more durable and worry-free. The pure white finish on our painted doors is more uniform and far smoother than other white finishes. Now here are a few pictures of some of our primed and finished white cabinet doors. To order any of our cabinet doors finished white, simply select Paint Grade for the wood type, then click the Paint Grade Options drop-down and select Primed and Finished White. The price shown below the order box will reflect the total cost for that door. Our normal production time for unfinished cabinet doors is 7 to 10 working days, and the production time for finished doors requires an additional 3 weeks to allow for proper drying, curing time.